Hey everyone, Julie with Mint Personal Chef here, and in this video I'm showing you how to make coconut shrimp with a homemade sweet chili sauce. And I'm super excited, it's gonna be so delish. Alright, so first we need to peel our shrimp. So have a little shrimp like this. Now we need to make a breading station for the shrimp. Some egg here. Set it up in the order that we're going to do it. So I have flour, egg, breadcrumb, and then I just have a plate here that I'm going to set them on when they're finished. Alright, so take your shrimp and start breading it. So on medium heat, I'm just gonna heat up some oil here. We're just gonna fry these up in batches. Once they're nice and golden brown, you'll just flip them over really quickly and fry them on the side for another minute. Alright guys, now we're going to make a sweet chili sauce for our coconut shrimp. Alright, so let's make the sauce. Alright, so now our sauce has reduced down, so I'm just going to taste it and see if it needs to be adjusted at all. It's super sweet and spicy at the same time. So our sauce is ready. And there you have it, coconut shrimp with a homemade sweet chili sauce. I hope you enjoyed watching this cooking video. If so, hit like and subscribe for more amazing cooking videos like this one. And happy eating!